2016 Dodge Challenger V6. What we got done on it, still got the factory converters there and there. Then it comes into a factory X pipe. And we put two used to have straight pipes on it. Customer stated it's too loud, so went ahead and put two glass packs on it. AP glass packs. If you wanna purchase them, just look in the description for a link. And then we did a muffler delete earlier, like last week actually. And then he came back, it was a little bit too loud. So we put the glass packs on it to quieten it down a little bit. Give it a little, still get the roar without the raspiness. And that's what the glass packs look like. Look like bullets almost. I'll let you guys hear them. Thank you. 2014 Dodge Challenger V6. Beautiful car. Got stock resonators on it. Stock catalytic converters there and there. Then it comes into a factory X pipe right there. Then we put some DYNOMAX bullets, race bullets. If you want those race bullets, look at the link in the description right there. And earlier in the year we did the muffler delete about 2 weeks ago. Right there. Into quad tips. There and there. There's the race bullets. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Dodge Challenger. Still get the sound, but not the raspiness of it. Again. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Those DYNOMAX bullets, man, give it a really nice deep tone. It doesn't really sound like a V6 no more.
It doesn't at all.
Sounds pretty good. That's sexy. 2016 Dodge Challenger V6. Got them stripes going. Really beautiful car.